I start the process by asking people to sit for a minute and identify the dominant emotion that they are feeling at that exact period in time.
My feeling was indecision, and then two colors popped up, and then I just mixed those two colors together to make purple.
Once people have identified that color, I ask them to go grab just one color for the beginning to start and get out that emotion through brush strokes, either, like big angry ones, people do like little swirly circle things, or smooth kind of brush strokes, and really get, that green out, whatever feeling that is.
Once I kind of felt myself relax into the groove of painting, I found myself much more patient and willing to focus on the more meticulous things. So that's when I started adding the white and swirling the colors and marbling it.
The point of this is really to take painting beyond trying to make something perfect and something beautiful that looks like something, and use painting as a way to cope with difficult emotions or any emotions at all, and just be able to create something to let go of some of those feelings.
Once I found myself in that headspace of being able to actually focus and do small things and not worry about looming deadlines or anything else that I had coming on, I just let myself go with it.
Everyone I've ever seen in these workshops makes these incredible pieces of art, and really just to show anybody that you can be an artist as long as you just let go.